I ordered the Cardo Packtalk Pro. It's for my SHOEI NEOTEC. We've got a very interested kitty right here that's interested in the install as well. So it comes like this in the package. It's already blinking. I'm not sure. I think I didn't shut it off when I put it back in the box. So it probably needs some charging. But this is what it comes with. Some instruction guides. All right here. With a sticker. Not sure where you're gonna put that. Hopefully not on your bike. Then over here, you've got all the hardware. So it's mounting, it's the actual speakers, it has adhesive tape. And then right here we've got my helmet. This is the SHOEI NEOTEC II. You have to get rid of all the liner, so that has some buttons on it. It just clicks in and clicks out. Then over here on the NEOTEC II, you can see it over there. You've got some place to mount the speakers, and then on the side, just above the warning, it can guide your microphone. So let's see if we can have an install on it, and then I'll update you a bit later on how it looks. We've got the adhesive mount right here that mounts to the back of the holder. So that goes like this. Then we've got the mic that is for the modular helmets. Then we've got the mic, which I'm not gonna use. That's for the normal helmets, I would say. Obviously some cleaning wipes to have it all stick. Then this is the clip. These are the 45 GBL speakers. That is on the Pro. It's an upgrade on the Edge because those have 45mm speakers. Then we've got some Velcro patches right here, and some thick and thin ones. I believe that on the SHOEI NEOTEC II, that's what I read, you should use these ones on the inner side. And then the back of the microphones, or the speakers, sorry, they attach to those. If we use the thicker ones, as you can see, they will stick out and have some pressure on the ears, is what I've read on Reddit. So this is basically all that we're gonna use, except for this mic, and then I'll see how it goes. The Packtalk Pro is now on, as you can see. I use the original clamp that comes with the helmet. This is the SHOEI NEOTEC II helmet, as I mentioned before. It states that you need a adapter on the spot where you normally put the Senna. But I was a little bit stubborn. Somebody at the shop, biker shop, told me that you could fit it right here, which is indeed possible. It is not the best fit, as you can see, but it clicks in. So the mount is now all secure. And the Pro fits on there good as well. All the wires are tucked in here. As you can see, it's not super proper. I can tuck that away a little bit better. I just tested it. I have to admit, I just did the first play on the music. It's insane. I'm used to wearing AirPods Pro 2nd generation in these helmets. And that's a great sound because you have noise cancelling as well. There are people that saying that's a bit dangerous on the bike. But the 45mm GBL speakers in this helmet, that sound is insane. So it's tucked in there. Yes, it's worn a little bit, my helmet. It's one last trip in Austria next week, and then we're replacing it for the 3rd gen NEOTEC II. But yeah, so this snaps on, and then I'm not really sure how, but I think you press this and then it slides out somehow. But it works great. So you can just adjust the music. Yeah, it's a little bit in the back of the helmet, but for now, I don't really mind. I didn't have to use the glue part because I might want to use that for the new helmet. But basically that's it. So this is the fitment. Not too bad, I would say. So for everyone that has a NEOTEC II helmet, yeah, if you have a new helmet, it might feel a little bit weird because you really have to press hard on the sides, and the fit isn't super seamless, but it does work well. So if you don't want to have the adhesives on your helmet like that, then it is possible with the normal one. No, it's not on the fitment where you can have it on the front, which